when cooking. Most of you think that it is the ingredients or the cooking method or even your mood. If you're happy, the food turns out lekker delicious, or if you're sad, angry, the food tastes yuck. So the most important thing when cooking is actually your cooking attire. Now my cooking attire is my comfy donuts and cake pants. This is what makes my cooking awesome. So now let's get starting cooking. Oh yeah, we're rolling, cooking donuts. Welcome to my adventures of cooking during lockdown. Now, since we're in lockdown, we cannot go to restaurants and socialize and have that yummy restaurant style food. So today I decided to make a restaurant style cauliflower Manchurian. So let's get started with the ingredients. So firstly, we need flour. Now this is what I found in the house. Question is, I don't know whether it's plain flour, cake flour, all-purpose flour, but what the heck, we're experimenting, so whatever flour is this, I'm using it. Next is corn flour. So we've got that. Then we've got garlic. Then we need ginger. And obviously the main star of our recipe today is cauliflower. You can get it pre-cut up at the shops. Then we need salt. Then we need chilies. Then we need tomato sauce. And of course, because this is a Chinese recipe, we need soy sauce. And well, the recipe said for chili sauce. Again, I do not have chili sauce, but we are using Steer's peri peri sauce, which will do just fine. Then we need oil, vinegar, some lovely spring onions, and normal onions. First step is to get our cauliflower boiled. So for that, we've got our pot on the stove, boiled water, okay, the experiments of cooking during lockdown. I'm an amateur, guys, bear with me. Then 1 tablespoon salt, and then 2 cups cauliflower. But I've used 1 whole cauliflower. I don't know whether it's 1 cup, 2 cups, but here we go. Long. Now let that boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then our cauliflower is done. Our cauliflower should have finished boiled, so drain it. Now we are going to create the batter in which we are going to fry our cauliflowers. For that we need 1/2 cup flour. I think that looks like 1/2 cup to me. Go. Then 2 tablespoons of corn starch. I don't know whether heaped or flat. Well, there's 1 and 2. Toing. Then 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chili powder, but our chili powder is strong, so I'm just going to put a little bit because I cannot take the fire. Then 1 teaspoon garlic, and 1 teaspoon ginger. There was ginger, wasn't there? Oh well, ginger. And lastly, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Voila! And then we mix this all together. Now we add a bit of water to make our batter. Just add a little bit of water at a time so as to not have a very thin batter. It needs to be slightly thick to hold its consistency on cauliflowers. I think I need a little bit more water. Okay, and our batter is done. Now we add our cauliflower into the batter and we just mix them and make sure they're well coated. And voila! Our cauliflowers are ready to be fried. Let's go fry this little suckers up. In they go to fry. Cauliflower flour. Okay, we'll do this in batches. So fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Okay, these little suckers look like they're golden brown to me. It's time to take them out. Wow, look at that. It almost looks like chicken, crispy chicken nuggets. Now, we're at the final stage for our Gobi Manchurian, which is cauliflower Manchurian. So, for that, we need some oil in a wok because we're making Chinese food. So about 2 tablespoons, that much. Then ginger, 1 teaspoon. Garlic, add a little bit more sweet. Okay. Then some onions. Okay, then tomato sauce, about a tablespoon, teaspoon or so. Doing, doing, doing. Okay, I think that should be fine. Then some chili sauce, which we don't have, so we're using Prego sauce. Again, about a teaspoon, tablespoon or so. Doing. That's enough. Okay, then again some soy sauce. Splash dabbity dab. On. Give that meat. Now we can add our cauliflower florets to this. Give it a good stir. Let it all soak in the juices. Here we go. Then final touches. 1 teaspoon vinegar. And our final ingredient, chopped spring onions. And our Gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Now all that's left to do is to plate up restaurant style. Bit of our cauliflower Manchurian and pair it with some cooked rice. And voila! Gobi Manchurian restaurant style. Yo peeps! If you enjoy my crazy videos, then please do the following.
I like it. I'll share it.
And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos.